Understanding Software Tutorial, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, software tutorial. This is a common term in the digital world, and understanding it can really help you in both learning and using technology effectively. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, software and tutorial. Software refers to the programs and other operating information used by a computer. Think of it like the apps on your smartphone or the programs on your laptop. Tutorial is a word that means a lesson or an instruction, especially one designed to teach the basics of something. So, when combined, software tutorial means a lesson or guide that helps you learn how to use a specific software. Software tutorials are essential for several reasons. 1. Easy learning. They provide step-by-step guidance, making it easier for beginners to understand and use software. 2. Time saving. They help save time by teaching the most efficient ways to use different features. 3. Self-paced learning. You can learn at your own pace, revisiting complex topics as needed. Software tutorials can come in various forms. 1. Video tutorials. These are videos that visually guide you through the software's features. They are great for visual learners. 2. Written guides. These are text-based instructions, often accompanied by screenshots, detailing how to use the software. 3. Interactive tutorials. These are hands-on tutorials where you can practice using the software in a controlled environment. To make the most out of software tutorials, consider these tips. Take notes. Jot down important points for future reference. Practice. Try using the software as you go through the tutorial. Seek out quality tutorials. Look for tutorials that are clear, concise, and well-reviewed. That's all for today's lesson on software tutorial. We hope this video helps you understand this useful term and encourages you to confidently explore and use different software. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.